Hey Adam, how's it going?
Going great. How about yourself?
So far great, thanks for asking. So I'm looking for an indoor camera, nothing fancy, just something to see what's going on in the office and record it.
Yeah, sure. I would recommend model number CS-I4HS, which is built for economical projects. It offers tripwire, perimeter, starlight technology, and a built-in microphone.
Do you have a camera with two-way talk capability?
Yeah, CS-I5XQ. Now that is one of our best-selling models that offers human vehicle classification, built-in microphone, speaker, and active deterrent lights.
Well, the outside area gets really dark at night and there's no street lamps. What camera should I get?
I would say CS-I4UV. Now that camera is the best that the industry offers, can capture or give you color at night with environments at 0.00001 lux. Now that's 3 zeros and 1, and currently that's best in the market.
Yeah, it's quite a bit expensive. Do you have a more budget-friendly option?
Yeah, why not using TC-C34WP, which is a mini bullet. The mini version of that still gives you 24/7 color at night. It is reasonably priced.
We do have a lot of customers visiting our store daily and I want to capture their faces just in case. What should I get?
I would say TC-C35WS, the Pro version, would be the perfect model for the scenario that you mentioned. Now, our analytics, they're all edge processed, behavioral based. So, for example, the more the camera sees the faces of the employees, as a result, the margin of error is going to drop dramatically.
What if I want the camera to recognize all the faces and alert me if someone in the blacklist shows up?
Yeah, A32L4 is built exactly for what you described. Now that camera offers face capture and facial recognition.
I want a camera with a 180-degree view at my front door. Anything that you can recommend?
Now, I8XQ, one of our most recent models that can give you a 180-degree view. Now, that camera offers dual lenses and 2 sensors as well, so you're going to get a real 180-degree view with that camera.
Do you have anything that offers a 180-degree view and at the same time it tracks the intruders if they show up?
Yeah, why not using a PTZ model, also a very recent model, P66. Now, that camera offers auto tracking, considering it's a PTZ, and alongside the 2 sensors and 2 lenses. So you're going to get a 180-degree view with that PTZ as well.
Thank you for all the information. You've been a great help.
Of course, anytime.